How to change keyboard layout setting on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. By default, when you open the keyboard on your device, you can see the different keyboard layout like a number. Here you can see different alphabets. So if you want to change this keyboard layout, you need to go to keyboard settings. First of all, open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Now go back, scroll down up to general management. Here you can find the general management option. Tap on it. Now again scroll down. Here you can find Samsung keyboard settings option. So tap the Samsung keyboard settings. Again scroll down. Here you can find the style and layout section. In this section at the bottom you can find the layout option. Tap on it to change the keyboard layout or customize keyboard layout. Now here you can first see button and symbol layout option, default and alternative. So you can select default or alternative. Choose a layout of your button and symbol depending on the keyboard language. So we use the default. Go back. Now here you can see number key. If you don't want to use, just toggle up it and it will hide the number key from your device. Just toggle on it to show the number. Also add alternative characters like this. Here you can see alternative characters on each alphabet. If you want to hide, just toggle up it to hide alternative characters. Also you can enable disable. Here you can see the spacebar row style comma. Here if you want to hide, just to turn off it, toggle on it to see the dots on the screen. You can also see .com option. If you don't want to show, just hide to hide the .com option like this dot option. So you can easily customize keyboard layout or change keyboard layout setting. After that, tap the show keyboard to show the all available setting we apply on a Samsung S24 Ultra and other device. So it's quite easy to change the keyboard layout on a Samsung S24 Ultra and any other Samsung device. That's it. If you like it, share it.